Why did they erase this from history and let a blank space haunt the pages of time for generations? In the shadowed archives, an obscure event unfolds through declassified memos, crumbling ruins, and coded whispers. The footage glitches between broken statues and ink-stained reports as eerie music swells and cold light scans forbidden graphs. Historians chase contradictions, uncovering evacuations, undisclosed casualties, and motives buried beneath political fear. Was it really forgotten? Or was it erased on purpose?